我做的这件事情能有更多。比如说我们祖国的花朵，然后能够跟我一起去践行这件事情，让他们从我的这种实际行动上能够去感染他们，我感觉这件事情就值得被大家认可。
Cai Xinhui is an art teacher at a primary school in Cangzhou, Hebei Province. While helping her students with chalkboard drawings, she discovered the strong texture and layering capabilities of chalk. She began experimenting with chalk to create her favorite artwork. Whether it's portraits, flowers, cartoons, or animals, whenever she finds a beautiful image, she tries to recreate it with chalk.
用那个粉笔在黑板上画出这么好看的这种图案，画作的时候，我当时都震惊了，就感觉老师好厉害，我也想学学。
Cai Xinhui's chalk drawings are beloved by her students. They are so impressed with her work that they hesitate to erase the blackboard. She is thrilled to see that after spending some time learning from her, the children have developed a love for art.